Hello everybody, welcome to Newbies Work on Cars. This is my 2011 VW Tiguan, and basically today we gotta solve the issue of a broken fuel cap cover. Basically, you need a replacement because the way this has been designed, if you look over here, basically there's no support on this one, so if you pull hard on it, it will always break like that. I tried to glue it in, as you can see, but it's really not successful. Or I wasn't successful with it. So I got a replacement one, aftermarket. It's only about $20 from eBay, brand new, unpainted. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a matching one from a used car. So today we'll go ahead about replacing it, so at least we keep the cab secure. All you need for this job is this magic screw. I believe this is a T25. It's a torx. The screwdriver set I have does not say the sizes, but I believe it's 25. So there's a small screw over here. You take that one out, and basically let's put this over here. Once you have it secured, basically pull, and you pull out. When I say pull out, because this all have to be all the way in. You have the drain tube in there. You need to get it out and transfer it to the other one, and also the cap needs to be transferred. So the tube I have is clogged, so I'm gonna try to unclog it basically. So now should be good. I'll go ahead and install it over there. Alright, as you can see, we got it here. The aftermarket unit I bought, it have like slightly bigger lip in here, so it makes this lock doesn't lock with the lid on. So if you push it, it doesn't go. You have to do it like that, and even sometimes doesn't take it, as you can see, which is not convenient. Anyway, so this is what I'm facing. This is the next day. I decided to go ahead and try to fix the original one again. As you can see, I put a lot of glue in this area, so hopefully this will hold. Let's go ahead and get it installed. We need the drain plug, or the drain tube. Right, as you can see here, it pushes in. There it is. See, pushes in, and you pull down. That's it. So that should be it. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.